What's going on, PS4 and future PS5 gaming fans? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best external hard drives for PS4 in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these hard drives, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to answer our daily question at the end of the video, and leave your answer in the comment section for us. The first external hard drive we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, is the Seagate 2TB game drive for PS4. Now if you're looking for something really huge, coming in at number 4, we've got the Seagate Desktop 8TB external hard drive. Coming up next, at number 3, we've got the Seagate Expansion 6TB hard drive. Time for a super quick intermission. Are you enjoying our tech product suggestions so far? If so, go ahead and hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. Coming in at our number 2 spot, we've got the Toshiba 1TB Canvio Advance hard drive for PS4. Last but not least, in our number 1 spot, we've got the Western Digital My Passport 4TB portable hard drive. Alright, PS4 and future PS5 fans, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comment section which PS4 hard drive you ended up liking the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more tech videos just like this one.